Cruise ships are full of strange traditions and outdated policies. Some of these rules might sound reasonable at first, but once you hear the details, you'll be left wondering why they even exist. Today, we're breaking down 10 ridiculous cruise rules that make absolutely no sense, yet passengers are still forced to follow them. Number 1. No irons or kettles. You can bring laptops, tablets, cameras, and even hair straighteners, but irons and kettles? Absolutely forbidden. Cruise lines claim it's a fire hazard, yet the same cabins are filled with far more dangerous electronics. Want hot water for tea? You'll have to order room service or walk to a cafe. It feels less like safety and more like profit. Number 2. The soda ban. Some cruise lines don't allow you to bring your own soda or bottled water on board. They force you to buy their overpriced drink packages instead. Meanwhile, you're allowed to bring wine in some cases. So apparently a can of Coke is more dangerous than alcohol? Ridiculous. Number 3. No sleeping in public areas. Tired after a long excursion? Think twice before dozing off in a lounge chair? Many ships have rules against sleeping outside your cabin. Crew may wake you up and ask you to leave. Why? Because they want the ship to look polished for other guests. Number 4. Dress codes that make no sense. Formal night is one thing, but many lines enforce random dress codes. Some ban sleeveless shirts in dining rooms, others don't allow flip-flops at breakfast. You're on vacation in the middle of the ocean. Why are fashion police telling you what to wear? Number 5. Pool restrictions. Some pools are closed at night, not because of cleaning, but because they don't want to pay lifeguards. Yet jacuzzis often remain open. The inconsistency shows the rule isn't about safety, it's about cost cutting. Number 6. No bringing food ashore. Finished breakfast and want to take an apple or sandwich with you for a port excursion? Forget it. Many cruise lines strictly ban taking food off the ship even if you're just walking into town. They cite agricultural laws, but the truth is, they don't want guests skipping paid excursions that include meals. Number 7. Smoking sections in strange places. Cruise lines say smoking is restricted to designated areas, but often those areas are right next to outdoor cafes or crowded walkways. Non-smokers are forced to breathe it in while cruise lines claim they're protecting everyone. Number 8. No drones allowed. Want to capture epic drone footage of the ship and ports? Not happening. Most cruise lines outright ban drones even if you promise not to fly them on board. They'll confiscate them at check-in. Meanwhile, giant cameras and GoPros are allowed everywhere. Where's the logic? Number 9. Forced gratuities. You'd think tipping is voluntary, but on cruise ships, it's automatic and non-negotiable. Even if service is poor, you'll still find a daily service charge on your bill. To remove it, you'll need to fight with guest services, and they'll make you feel guilty for even asking. Number 10. Overly strict alcohol rules. Some lines allow 1 or 2 bottles of wine per passenger, others allow none. Hard liquor is always confiscated, yet once you're on board, they'll happily sell you unlimited cocktails. Somehow your bottle from home is a threat, but their overpriced mojitos are perfectly fine. And that's the list. 10 cruise ship rules that make absolutely no sense, yet millions of passengers deal with them every year. Next time you cruise, remember, these rules aren't always about safety. They're about money, image, and control.